when we combine two different subjects together. Think of it like 1 + 1 = 3. So we have two subjects, and where they overlap, that is the IDU, a place where we can look at the same question from different perspectives.
So, as you can see, this here is the project of our group, a lamp in a Christmas tree's shape. Now you might wonder why we choose Christmas tree as its main structure and shape instead of something else. So this is in fact based on our user's preference. Our user mentioned that he would like some green and natural designs rather than some modern and constructional designs. So as you can see here, why would we choose this material instead of others to make this Christmas tree? It is because that it's 3D printed. Now, a 3D printed shape often includes a lot of hydrogen elements in it. Hydrogen is known for its stability and lightweight, which is perfect for a 3D printing material to support the whole structure. That's basically all of our project, and we hope to upgrade it in later days. For example, to add a 3D printed twin on this potential meter to make it easier to manipulate, and we might also want to add some a more diverse functions when making it a multi-function accompaniment for you on your desk. For example, we might want to add screens on it, add chips, ESP32s on it, and code it, making it not just a lamp, but everything you need on your desk. For example, a timepiece, a little pet, and that's our vision basically. So we hope to meet you again with a better version of this product.